Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create straight line on Instagram story. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my Instagram application and I'm going to create an Instagram story. I'm going to click on add story and I'm just going to pick random image from my device. For example, I'm going to go this one. I'm going to upload this image to my Instagram story, and if you want to create straight line for this Instagram story, we can click on these three dots right here and you can select a draw. Okay, and before you draw the straight line, you can choose the color you want to apply. For example, I'm just going to select yellow. Right, and I'm going to select the yellow color guys. This one, and then we can choose the type of the pen we want to use. You can select the arrow, marker, neon, or chalk. You can choose arrow if you want to draw arrow. And here I'm just going to select the neon and I'm going to draw the straight line like this guys. And if you want to delete the line, you can click on this eraser, then you can delete it like this, or you can just click on undo. Okay, and I'm going to try another type of the pen. I'm going to click on this three dots again and I'm going to select marker, and let's see how it looks. Okay, click on undo if you are not satisfied with how it looks, and you can just draw the straight line like this. Okay, and I'm going to try the chalk as well. Okay, this is for the chalk, and then I'm going to try pen. Okay, this is for the pen, and you can click on undo if you want to redraw the straight line, and this is for the arrow if you want to automatically draw arrow for your Instagram story. Okay, and then okay, now it's done, and you can just draw the straight line according to your needs for your Instagram story. Okay guys, and that's all the way to draw the straight line on Instagram story. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video guys.